Hi Tesla fans, I'm Ellie with T-sportline. And while we've been very busy wrapping Cybertrucks this whole year, we have not forgotten about our customers that own Model X's. And we've been very busy wrapping those as well. And today I want to share with you a brand new color change PPF film from our friends at TMaxx called Matte Shamrock Green. This has never been done before because number one, this is a brand new color from TMaxx and it is absolutely stunning. And it's so appropriate for a Model X or quite frankly, any Tesla. Finished in matte shamrock green, believe it or not, this originally started off its life as midnight silver metallic, but it has now received a complete color change and you cannot even tell. And the reason is because at T-sportline, at our service center, whether it being in Los Angeles, California, or Atlanta, Georgia, we go the extra mile. We remove the bumpers and the headlights and as many parts as we can to ensure a proper color change. We roll the edges and you can't even tell what color it was to start with. What do you guys think about matte shamrock green? Pretty cool, huh? All the panels have been wrapped in this. This is a Model X Plaid. The customer also chose our 22-inch TSS wheels finished in gloss black. That was a great choice because that matches all the gloss black window trim and door handles that came from Tesla. And this Model X is about to hit the roads in Los Angeles and truly be one of a kind. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. We have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon.